Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install and run a local AI model using Ollama on Windows Server. First, download the latest Ollama installer. Next, run the installer and complete the setup process. Then, open PowerShell and run the following command. If a version number is displayed, Ollama has been installed successfully. Continue to use the following command to download the Qwen34B model. The model will be downloaded automatically during the first launch. Once the download is complete, you may close the PowerShell window. After that, open the Ollama application from the Start menu. The downloaded model should now be available within the Ollama interface. Select the model and start chatting through the graphical interface. Now, you can start by using this example prompt.